Good evening, all. Thanks for joining. Okay. So I'm so excited to start Amazon Web Services class today. Okay. So the agenda for today's class is, okay, a couple of things we need to do. Okay. So let me share my screen and we'll discuss what are the topics we are going to discuss. And before we start off the AWS session, especially any questions on previous session? Any questions on previous session? No questions, right?
Sir, myself Venkatesh, sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir. While giving our username password, we are entering before that one dot and backslash. What is the purpose, sir?
So you mean to say you have a problem to connect the VMware lab?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. While we are
Okay,
entering the dot with backslash.
okay, fine. So did you contacted anyone like Lingadhar or maybe Vanilla or anybody you contacted? No, right?
No, sir.
So no worries. Uh, please wait, Venkatesh. End of the session, I'll give you 5 minutes for time for you. You can please share your screen after that and we can try to solve your problem. Okay?
Okay, sir. No issue.
Right. Thank you, Venkatesh. Yesterday, I asked you to for because of you are not in the connected from the system. So I have shifted to some other person. I given access.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Right.
Connected
Mm.
from mobile. Today I'm connected from
Right.
the laptop.
Right. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Right. So Kumar,
Yes.
you raise your hand. Any questions, brother?
Hi, Rajesh. This is Girish. This is my first class.
No problem.
Uh,
So obviously you are joined correct time.
so
No problem.
I just wanted to. I was thinking about the lab session links and details. How
Okay.
about reaching
No
whom to
problem.
reach out?
That I will take separately. Okay.
Okay,
That's
fine,
actually
fine.
is a on-prem infrastructure setup. So that is VMware topics that I'll take it. So even if you want, I can share the recordings after the session. You can check that also.
All right. Thank you.
No problem. So guys, today we are going to talk about the main concept is the first. So who is Amazon? Okay. Who is Amazon? And second one, AWS global infrastructure. And fourth one, AWS free tier account creation. Then the fourth point is how to create Windows Server in AWS EC2 service. Okay, these are the main topic we are going to discuss. So who is Amazon? Amazon is a company. Okay, so it has a many sisters companies. They're developing and they're doing different business. So let me open Amazon Wikipedia. If you check that, there's a lot of companies are under Amazon umbrella. Okay. You can check here. So the company was started in the year of 1994, 1995 between that. So, so who founded is Jeff Bezos, you know, right? So this is the main website is there, you know, right? If you're visiting this website, it is an e-commerce company. So there are so many services are provided from this company here, like Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Amazon App Store, Amazon Luna, Music, Pay, Prime Videos, Twitch, Ring, Amazon Web Services, Amazon Robotics. So many brands are there. Hmm. So I'm not talking about all the services. We are into the part of Amazon Web Services. So, you know, right? Amazon Web Services is subsidiary of Amazon service provider. It is an on-demand public cloud service provider. So Amazon Web Service is a on-demand public service provider. Okay, so when you switch this Amazon Web Services, it is a subsidiary of Amazon company. So it is providing on-demand cloud computing services platform and API and other services also provided. So let's talk about Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. You can check here. So who is our Amazon Web Services? Amazon Web Services actually was started in the year of 2002, 21 years ago. Okay, it is not a new service. Okay, it is not a new service. It's a very, very old company, 21 years background. But actually during that time, the web services are launched. Okay, from 2006. So cloud computing was launched. So 17 years background company. Hmm? So now the company CEO, Adam Silipsky, now he is a main person, is taking all the decisions about Amazon Web Services. It's a subsidiary product from the Amazon. You can check this revenue in the year of 2022, 22.8 billion revenue. So was operating income. It's a very huge company. So Amazon main company one time, I think two times, it was Fortune 100 companies, number one, they listed. If you check the Forbes magazine, you'll get more information about last 10 years. So every year they'll be taking a ranking, who is the richest company in the world. So one time or two times, Amazon was standing in the number one place. So, but every time Amazon company was in the 100 list, in the Fortune 100 list, who is the most revenue popular company. So definitely Amazon will be there, one of the list. If you can check that Forbes magazine, okay, FORBS, Forbes magazine. Okay, so in the year of 2006, okay, in the year of 2006, they started with a single product. They started with a single cloud computing services, which is called cloud storage. Cloud storage. The service name called S3, Amazon S3. So S3 full form, simple storage service. It was started. But actually it was started in the year of 2004 due to some technical problem. Again, they have restarted the business in the year of 2006. But officially the business was started in the 2004 only, but well established with all the technical problem they challenged and they have fighted with the people and they standard in the market in the year of 2006. Okay, March. So with the one product. So it's a cloud storage, Amazon simple storage service. After end of the year 2006, millions of data was stored in the Amazon S3 cloud storage. Later part, so Amazon have some good responses from the customer, they slowly started building a new services they introduced in the Amazon Web Services forest. Okay, Amazon forest means not that forest. In that compound, they added a new services. Slowly added one by one, one by one by one, one by one. Nearly we have 200 plus services are available. 200 plus services are available in Amazon Web Services. So do you need to learn all the 200 services? Not needed. 100% not needed. You can take the uh, courses, which of the course is relevant for you, you can take it. So definitely so much excited which course you want to take it. So definitely there are multiple courses are there. Let me present that. What are the courses are from Amazon Web Services. So check that Amazon Web Services course. You can check here. This is a certification based program. Okay, this is a certification based program. Foundational, associate level, professional level, specialty level. Example, anybody wants to learn Amazon Web Services, what are the services are there, how it works. They want to start their career in Amazon Web Service as a fresher. You can learn cloud practitioner. This is applicable for only for freshers, not for experienced people. If you want to keep your experience like a 3 to 4 years, it is not suggestible. As a fresher, maybe you're a fresh graduate from the university or college. Yes, you can enroll this program. You can complete, you can write a certificate, approximately $100 for the certificate. Once you get that, you can go for any interview. Most of the companies are entertained the people taking who are already attended the program of Amazon. They are already certified. They're giving the project to start working on it. But if you're an experienced person more than 1.5 years or 2 years, you should go for associate level certification. So in the associate level certification, there are three types of certifications are there. One is the solution architect certificate, developer certificate, sysops administration certificate. What is meaning of this one? So basically, solution architect level means administration work in the real-time environment, in the cloud services. Those topics we can learn in the solution architect associate. This is called SAA program, solution architect associate. If you are a programmer or you are a developer, you can go with a developer certificate course you can enroll. How your programming skills you can develop in the AWS environment level, you can go for this and you can enroll this. And maybe you are being part of integrating between the development and operations works in the system level. So sysops administration, you can learn it. So these all certifications except developer, solution architect associate, sysops administration certificate, both are related to completely pure non-programming background. Guys, somebody is asking, can you please tell me? Sura, Sura @123. మీరు మ్యూట్ రిలీజ్ చేసి మాట్లాడుతున్నా బ్రదర్. హలో, Khalif or something, somebody name is there. Khalif, right? Don't please come out of from mute. If you have emergency, please leave the meeting. No problem. So next, coming to this professional level certificate, the professional level certificate more than 2+ years, like a 3+ years experience, you want to become showing as a senior system engineer, the senior DevOps engineer, you can enroll this program. Okay, whatever you're thinking that DevOps engineer program, once you learn this, you're not become as a DevOps engineer. This is only AWS DevOps engineer program. So that means only AWS DevOps tools, not a third-party DevOps tools. So third-party DevOps tools, once you learn, then only you'll become as a full-fledged DevOps engineer. Only if you learn this program, only your AWS DevOps engineer. Only AWS DevOps engineer. There is no job opportunities outside that you need to understand. Coming to the solution architect professional, solution architect associate advanced level course, very deeper level, higher level, the course is available. So my suggestion, everybody, you need to learn solution architect professional level course and the DevOps engineering course. So to learn this, most of the services are similar, only few services are different in the DevOps. So my course is designed solution architect associate professional services, and which of the services are not available in this program, the DevOps services included here. So you can check the course content, even Citrix, sorry, AWS DevOps programs also included in the AWS course content. So that's why I prepared. So to complete this, 45 days time is required to teach all the program very clearly. Coming to the specialty, you're coming from any kind of special background, like you're from SAP, you're from security, or you're from machine learning, data analytics. So you can do the special certifications. You don't require for these other certifications are for different people. Like you already network engineer, you want to go for cloud network engineering, you can go for it. You already data science, like you want to go for data analytics, you can go here. You already security engineer, you please learn this. You're already SAP engineer, you can learn this. You're already machine learning engineer, you can select this. So like that, different specialty courses are there. You can select and which one you want. These are the total courses are available from Amazon. So now we are learning AWS Solution Architect Professional plus AWS DevOps Services. AWS DevOps Services plus third party or open source DevOps tools. So that's why our course is very lengthy for 90 days. Any other questions?
Uh, Hi, Rajesh.
Yes, Girish.
Rajesh, if somebody like if I want to go for a certification option, so
Mhm.
this AWS solution architect and DevOps engineer would work, right? I can.
If you go for certification, you can go with associate level certificate first. Then you'll go for professional level.
Okay.
Mm. If
Now,
you go here, you'll go with this and you can write your exam. This is a $150. Okay, $150 certificate. If you go for solution architect professional, okay, this
uh,
is a $300. So if you're paying from your packet to write this exam, I would not suggest for $300. Why you're wasting of your valuable money? So first you will go with the solution architect associate, $150. Even that is also big amount only. But there is no other opportunity, right? Because of you need to get into the job. So once you join the company, you can go for a solution architect professional, $300 exam. Company will pay you.
yes, yes, correct.
Hmm?
No, I mean to say now this course what I enrolled, I'll be able to have that knowledge to write this certificate, right?
Mm, certificate level means, okay, I'll tell you. If the question and answers will be there. Okay. Question, if you're directly if you're asking, you'll able to answer it. If the question will be given with a multiple choice, maybe you are thinking that there is a easy to answer it, but the question answers are very confused states. Okay. So probably we are giving a, even though it's a wrong answer, maybe trying to, we'll put the correct answer, maybe we are not clearing the exams. So ultimately here, first of all,
Mm.
we need to completely attend the course, understand each and every topic and the practical things very clearly, theoretical and practical things very clearly. Then after that, you can take the dumps and you have to read out very carefully. Then you can take the practice test. Then you can go for exam. This is actually workflow. If you are
Ah,
completed the training and you immediately going and you're writing the exam, 90% you will get failed. There is no chance. Even not only me, even if AWS, a father, Jebus also, if you're teaching, you'll definitely fail. Because of
okay.
ultimately depends on the candidate. Okay.
Okay. I understood. Thank you.
Okay. So recently I returned Azure 900 program. Okay. So almost 2 weeks completely I have spent my time and I have prepared and I went for exam and I clear it. Okay. Just a pass. Just pass. Okay, think about
Mhm.
it. Because of I don't have any other bad works like I don't watch TV, I don't watch YouTube, I don't watch any cricket or anything. I'm always sitting in front of a system and I'm reading always. Even if I practice for daily 3 to 4 hours, I just pass. Think about others. I'm not a god,
Mm,
but I'm
correct.
continuously I'm a book reader. Okay, so
Uh,
I just pass. Think about others. They have other activities are there. How they are clearing. So because of the luck. So after I'm attending the 3 hours of exam, even I'm trying to take the water, the instructor clearly pinging that, hey Rajesh, do you want to clear the exam or not? I didn't understand why you're asking like this now. This is exam. This is not a cafeteria. You're eating a food or food items. I asked that because of I'm getting cough, so that's what I'm taking the water. You should not drink the water during the exam. Clearly, they written that message on the chart.
yeah,
Okay,
even
even I
even
should
they
not
watch
turn the
the eye
head.
movements.
You know, right? You understand?
Yeah, even they watch the eye movement. Like you
Even eye
fluctuate your
movement
eye.
also. You should always sitting the 3 hours of time into the screen only. I should not even turn the back.
Yeah,
Okay.
I heard that. See, my colleague, somebody wrote the exam. He
Uh,
cleared the exam.
uh.
After 15 minutes, he got another message that exam is failed.
Really? I
And then
have a screenshots also. If you want, I can share
later
with
on,
you.
when I checked, it says that you were in a tension mode, or you were in you are not fixing
Uh,
to the answers.
uh.
That's the reason failed.
Yes, and
They
one
were
more
watching the
recently,
eyeballs.
one of my student was working in Canada. He attended exam and he updated. So based on he submitting the answers in the last section, you don't have time. You fast last 5 minutes. What we can do, brother? Okay, even MSET also we are taking the pencil and we are round the circle. Okay, that's really very happy. Even at least one or two questions are correct, they will give the marks. This
Correct.
guy,
Uh,
you are taking only 5 minutes, you're clearing the complete section. How you are expert? This is not practically possible. So hence we are canceling the exam. This is the reason they canceled the exam for one of my student. Name is Ramesh from Canada.
uh,
What we can do, brother? How can understand the four sections? See, these exams are they categorized into four sections, like experience in AWS technology, strong on-premises, experience working cloud services. So different sections they'll be given. Each sections within the time you need to finish. Like example, 20 minutes or 30 minutes, we
yeah,
need to
yeah.
allocate the time for writing the exam. Even less than or maybe less than 50% of the time, if you completed, the computer will be understand you are not superior than me. So you're a human being. You don't
Failed.
have rights to get to put the answer. So you have to stay for 30 minutes, then go for next block. So this type of AI algorithms they implemented in the exams. That's why the most of the people are not clearing the exam. So that's what as a senior most trainer, I'm not giving any guarantee for the exams. Okay, I can give the guarantee for the knowledge. Maybe you can definitely you can able to understand the concept, you can understand the interview questions, able to troubleshoot the issue. This I can give you the guarantee. Okay, but
Okay.
examination, brother, I'm really very sorry for that. I'll give you the dumps. I'll give the dumps for that.
Thank you.
Right. So somebody was sharing the screen and looking for a phone. What is it actually? I don't know. What happened? Is looking for the phone. My screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Right.
Looking for the phone.
I don't know why it is coming. Pankaj is joined. Maybe Pankaj is sharing that one. Right. So everybody understand it. This is a course patterns are there. So let's move on to the next concept is AWS global infrastructure. What is a AWS global infrastructure means? AWS is cloud services, right? The AWS data centers are set up worldwide that we can understand with a global infrastructure map. If you check that AWS global infrastructure map, you can see this worldwide, 7 continents, 32 regions, 32 data centers are there. Sorry, 32 locations are there. In the 32 locations, 102 data centers are available. Even Hyderabad, 3 data centers are there. Mumbai, 3 data centers are there. So like that, so in India, only 6 data centers. Overall, worldwide, all 7 continents, 102 data centers are available. Okay. So, and these are the world map, and you can see here, one is Hyderabad, another one is Mumbai location. So in Mumbai, in Hyderabad, last year launched. Okay. Recently, 2 months back, I visited Hyderabad, Amazon Web Services data center also. It's a very big one, almost 20 acres of 20 or 30 acres, I think. That's a very big venture they were set up. No, sorry, 100 acres, I think so. 100 acres. 100 acres of land was given. There's the outskirts of Hyderabad. So exit number 11. From there, we need to travel 40 kilometers. You will find Amazon data center there. So that's a good experience. This is a very big data center. Okay. So in India, the data center was constructed by Tata company. Okay. So these are the data centers across the world. So now any data center you can access, but few data center you should not access. Few data center you should not access. You don't have permissions for that. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, and if any data center is showing in a red, that's a upcoming data center. This is under construction. Almost 245 countries. So they're using the AWS services. Okay, 245 countries, they're using the AWS services. So next, shall we try to access the AWS services and how it is working? Can we improve our knowledge? So before going for the company? Yes. So AWS is providing free tier account access. So with that, you can create account that is free for 1 year. You can access and you can practice it. But free tier means it's not unlimited. It is a limited access to you. In the free tier, within the limitation, you don't have any charges. If you cross that, it will be chargeable. Chargeable means it will be showing in the bill. If you wish to, you can pay. You can pay. If you don't have that much of money, you can ignore it. In case if you ignore it, more than 3 bills, if more than 3 bills, so if you're not paid, one fine day your account will get blocked. Until you paid your amount, the bill clearance, AWS will not providing again reactivate your account. Permanently your account will close. Suspended. Next, in case of any problem, we can talk to AWS technical team. You can write an email, you raise a complaint. They will call you within 24 hours of time. You can tell your problems and all. They will clear. They'll clear your problems. But you don't expect a more level of expectations and troubleshooting from the AWS technical team until unless you have a company account. You are going with individual, they cannot help you higher level. Maybe if you're going with a company account, if you have a GST number and a PAN card, TIN number, TAN number, whatever it is, you can apply and you can get more support from the company. They will dedicatedly assign some technical engineer, technical manager, TAM, technical manager. You can work with them. So to create AWS free tier account, do you need any restrictions? Yes, restrictions are there. With one Gmail account, only one AWS account create. With one bank card, either debit card or credit card, only one account we can create. And with one phone number, only one account we can create. So one AWS account, you need one email address, one phone number, one debit card and credit card details. Okay. Even the card should be Visa card. So you can check your bank card should be Visa or MasterCard. You can check this Visa card. This is a Visa card logo should be needed. Otherwise, MasterCard also needed. Any one of the card is needed. What you called as RuPay orders are not accepted. Okay. Any other question? So if you have that information, we can we can create an account. Right away, we can create an account. So who will be ready to share your screen to create an account right now? I have an already account with me. I will log in and I'll show you the console. Otherwise, if you are ready to share your screen and with your details, I'll help you to create an account. Then we can start creating an instances. So who will share and we can create AWS account right now.
I can.
Thank you, Girish. Okay, let me stop the record. So this is one of the part. And the second part, so we will learn how to create AWS account live.